Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 16 says elective principle was first introduced in Nigeria by the dash. Elective principle was first introduced in Nigeria by the dash. What we should know about elective principle in Nigeria is that it was introduced by the colonial masters, or constitution. So the list of constitutions we have here are colonial constitution. Option A say literature constitution, B say Richard constitution of 1937, then Clifford constitution of 1922, the Mafasi constitution of 1951, 52 constitution of 1950. So the elective principle was introduced by one of these colonial constitutions, and that was the Clifford constitution of 1922, which eventually led to the formation of the first political party in Nigeria in 1923 called NNDP. So option C is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.